JavaScript generators. In JavaScript, we have functions that return a single value or even nothing. And when a function is executed, it executes everything in it at once. Enter JavaScript generators. A JavaScript generator is a function that can be paused and resumed, which can yield multiple values over time. The purpose of a generator is to run some code and return some value, run some more code and return some more value, and so on, as we control the flow of its execution. To create a generator, we use the function keyword with an asterisk after it, and instead of a return statement to return a value, we use yield to yield a value. To run a generator function, just run it and it will return us a generator object. This object contains three functions, which are next, return, and throw. The next function is used to execute the code inside our generator. Each time next is called, it will yield one value from the generator. It returns an object which contains the value, which is the yield value from the generator, and a done property, which is either true or false. If it is false, it means our function has still some more code to run. If it is true, it means there's nothing else to run. The return function, when called, will make the generator finish early, which means no next block of code will run. The return function will return an object with a value which will be undefined and a done property which will be true, meaning there is no further code to run. The throw function will stop the function at the current suspended position and throws us out with an error. Generators can be employed to implement caching and memoization for expensive function calls. This was JavaScript generators. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.